Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today we'll make chicken angara restaurant style. This is a very delicious recipe and it's called chicken angara because angara is a burning coal which is placed into this gravy and given a smoky flavor. It's very unique and very different from other gravies which are usually made. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be requiring to make this delicious chicken angara. 1 kg chicken, 400 grams of thick yogurt, 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, few black peppercorns, 1 stick of cinnamon, few green cardamoms and few cloves. 2 medium-sized tomatoes peeled and sliced, 1 large onion cut into rings, 1 capsicum sliced and few green chilies slit, 3 large onions finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of chicken masala, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala and some red food color. 1 cup of cooking oil, half cup of milk, some fresh coriander for garnishing and salt as required. Few coals to give the smoky flavor. Alright, so to begin with the recipe, what I've done is I've taken the curd into a mixing bowl and I've added the ginger garlic paste and now I'm adding the food color and all these spices which I'm using. So give it a nice mix. Alright, after mixing this, I'm adding the chicken. I'm using liver and the gizzard. If you want, you can avoid it or you can add it. So now I'm adding the salt and mix everything nicely together. Alright, I've added all the masalas and spices and now I'm adding the milk. If you want, you can add cream also, but it will become quite rich. But that's one more option you can do. So mix everything nicely together. I'm using thick yogurt and full cream milk. And now I added all the whole spices. This will infuse into the masalas and the chicken and will give a very nice aroma. So now I'm going to marinate this for at least 30 minutes. Alright, after the marination, what I'm doing is I'm adding oil to the kadhai, and as soon as the oil gets hot, I'm going to add the onions. And I'm going to fry the onions till nice and golden brown. Alright, my onions are nice and golden brown as you can see. So now after 30 minutes, I'm going to add the chicken to the onions. And mix everything nicely together. Now I'm going to cover and cook this for at least 30 minutes. Alright, after 30 minutes, as you can see, the oil has come up. And now is the time to add the other vegetables. I'm adding the onions. And the capsicum and green chilies. Tomato slices. Alright, now just give it a nice mix. Make sure that all the vegetables have mixed nicely into the gravy. Alright, now I'm going to cover this and cook it till more 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to remove the lid and keep a small steel bowl. Into this, I'm going to add the burning coal. I've burned the coal on the gas top, and now I'm adding some oil to it, and I'm going to close the lid and make sure all the smoke infuses into the gravy. This will take around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see that the coal has settled down, the smoke has settled down. So now I'm going to remove it out, and it has given a very nice flavor to the chicken and the gravy. Just give it a nice mix. And our chicken angara is all done. What you have to do is just shake it a little bit so that the oil comes up. Alright, so now I'm going to add some fresh coriander, chopped. If you want, you can add some mint leaves also. My chicken angara restaurant style is ready, and do serve this with some tandoori roti or naan, or even plain rice goes best with it. So I hope you like the recipe. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video, Allah Hafiz. Bye.